Today, maayong adlaw sa tanan. Welcome back again to my channel. Okay. Karon magpadayon ta sa atong examples from our last topic about linear equations in one variable. Okay. So we've stopped at only 4 examples. So let's continue our examples, no? From the very easy one to mga challenging na din nga mga problems, no? Kaya I know ganahan kay mga challenging. Okay? So, let us consider here our example number 5. Okay, you have here 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2x is equal to 2 over x. Now, in this particular type of problem, you need to identify what is your LCD. Okay? So, kailangan nato kwaon si LCD or si least common denominator. Okay. Now look at the denominators here of these three fractions. You have 8, you have 2x, and you have x. Okay. Since we knew that 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, correct? Because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 you have 8. While you have 2x here, can be written as 2 times x, right? These are the factors of 2x. While x is equal to 1 times x. Okay. Nagtanaw lang ta sa mga denominator because we are looking for the least common denominator. Okay. So what would be our LCD? So by just looking at, you have 1. Kaya mo siya common. At na lang ibutang si 1. So between the base 2, we have 2 and 2 to the power of 3. So, si 2 to the power of 3 atong i-consider, no? The highest power man siya. So, for the variable x, isa lang din ka x atong kwaon. No? Kaya mamailang common. So, it follows that our LCD here is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 1, 8 Japon, times 8 times x, you have 8x. So, mo niya itong LCD. Okay. Nakabalo naman ta sa tong LCD nga 8x. Unsa tong next buhaton? Mauna siya atong i-multiply sa both sides sa equation. No? Para ma-simplier og dating atong equation. So, di ba? Adun ko nga atong i-multiply both sides. So, this becomes nani na mahitabo. We copy 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2x is equal to 2 over x. We close that one and we multiply that by 8x. Okay, magbutang po ta diri 8x. Because we will multiply 8x or the LCD to the left side, we will multiply 8x to the right side. Okay? So, you have here 8x times 3 over 8. So, inana na siya plus 3 over 8 times 8x. Kung tinamban ta og dating, no? Plus 1 over 2x times 8x. You copy the equality sign, then copy 2 over x times 8 over x. Muna siya ang but pasabot. That we need to multiply the LCD to both sides of the equation. So it follows that you will multiply the LCD 8x to each term diri sa left side sa equation. Okay, so mo niya itsura. 3 over 8 times 8x. So we could cancel 8 here. So what is left? 3 times x, you have 3x. Okay? Follow that? Okay. We copy plus. Okay. 1 over 2x times 8x. So klaro kay siya nga 8 divide 2 is you have 4. Okay? Then we could cancel x. So 4 na lang siya dire. Okay, so we copy the equality symbol. Okay, here, 2 over x times 8x. So clearly, we could cancel x. So you have now, you can simply now multiply 2 times 8. So 2 times 8, you have 16. So, look at the equation. Simple na kay siya tanawon, correct? No, wala na siya mga fractions. Simple na kay siya. Take note, this looks like our first example, no? So, we need to solve for x. Kung kadumdum mo sa itong first example, mauni siya siguro. So, ang sa itong buhaton, we will transpose positive 4 to the right side of the equation. So, what is left in the left side? You have 3x, then it is equal to 16 minus 4. Okay? So, padayon Japon ta pag-solve, you have 3x, you just copy. Then, 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay? So, take note, we need to solve for the value of x. So, we will divide both sides by 3. So, it follows that x is equal to, makakancel mo na si 3. So, 12 divide 3, you have 4. Now, is 4 is the solution? So, patakay balo. So, we need to do checking. No? Mag-checking ta. By substituting x is equal to 4 to the original equation. No? Kung equal ba sila ang left side o ang right side. Okay? Kung ma-equal sila, meaning to say, si 4 is a solution. Sige. Let's do the checking. Okay, so you have 3 over 8. You just copy 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2. Then, isubstitute na to si x here nga 4 is equal to 2 over 4. So we have a question mark here. Mauta na man ta kung equal ba sila ang left side o ang right side sa equation. So, padayon ta, you have 3 over 8 plus 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay? So, we copy. Okay, what is 2 over 4? We need to reduce this one to its lowest form. So, you have 1 over 2, no? Kaya alam na siya, 2 over 4 is equal to 2 over 2 times 1. Ano siya? Equivalent ana. So, klaro kayo nga, makancel na to si 2, 1/2 yung equivalent. Okay? Try ta. Question mark na punta, no? Now, look at the left side of the equation. 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. It is an addition of similar fractions. Okay, meaning to say, pareha ang ilang denominator. So, unsa kitong buhaton ana? We just simply add the numerator. Correct? So, 3 plus 1, you have 4. Then, you just copy the denominator 8. Then, still copy 1/2. So, still, it's a question mark. But, what is 4 over 8? Diba, si 4 over 8 can be reduced to its lowest form. 4 is equal to 2 to 4 times 1, while 8 is equal to 4 times 2. So, meaning to say, si 4 over 8 is just equal to 1/2. So, it follows that equal sila. Kung sabot pa sabot. Therefore, 4 is a solution. Okay? Klaro kay guys, no? So, na-found out nato nga si x is equal to 4. Since here, possible solution naman siya, then, by checking, we prove that 4 is a solution of this equation. Okay? So, I hope na mo nasabtan sa example number 5. So, let's move on to another example. We have example number 6, no? Kung tanaw nato na pun sa mga fractions, no? Usually, si student, di yung ganahan kan og mga fraction, right? Di yung ganahan, like, you would ask them to add 1/2 plus 1/4. Mataranta, mangita og calculator. Okay, di use like ganahan og mga fractions. Okay. Now, we have here, solve this equation. In number 6, you have x plus 7 over 6 plus 2x minus 8 over 2 is equal to negative 4. Still, we have a fraction. Basta negative fraction, unsa gyud atong first pangitaon ang LCD. Okay? Kuhaon nato si LCD or the least common denominator. Then, if makuha na nato si LCD, i-multiply nato sa both sides sa equation. Okay? So, when it comes to LCD, magdito na tayo magtanaw sa mga denominator. So, you have 6 and 2. So, unsa iyang LCD, ana? Si 6 can be written as 3 times 2, while 2 can be written as 2 times 1. So, iyang LCD kaning 3, isa din ka 2, ug isa ka 1. So, it follows that you have 6, correct? Because 3 times 2 is equal to 6 times 1, you have 6. So, meaning to say, itong LCD is 6. So, muna itong i-multiply sa both sides sa equation. Okay. So, nakakuha naman tayong LCD. So, you just copy x plus 7 over 6 plus 2x minus 8 over 2 is equal to negative 4. Then, we will multiply both sides by 6. Okay? 3 put 6. Multiply na ito siya 6. So, again, may tabo, you have x plus 7 over 6 times 6 plus, kaya si 6, ito mo siya i-distribute sa kada term. I-multiply na ito. Plus 2x minus 8 over 2 times 6 is equal to negative 4 times 6. Okay, can you follow? Okay. So, padayon ta. What is x plus 7 over 6 times 6? So, klaro kayo makancel na ito si 6, correct? So, ang mabilin din na, you have x plus 7. Okay? So, you copy the plus sign. So, here, 2x minus 8 over 2 times 6. So, klaro kayo siya class nga. What is 6 divide 2? You have, we could cancel this. Si 6, ang mabilin dyan is 3, right? So, you have 3 times 2x minus 8. Ang diri sa ikaduha. So, you copy equal symbol. Negative 4 times 6, you have negative 24. Okay? So, here, di pa siya simpler because dapat na nakita nga symbol which is parenthesis. So, we need to remove this one. Okay, remove that to. So, you just copy x plus 7, x plus 7. Then, we will distribute positive 3 to each term. So, positive 3 times 2x, you have plus 6x. Okay? So, meaning ito siya i-distribute, i-multiply. Positive 3 times negative 8, you have negative 24 is equal to negative 24. Okay? So, klaro naman kayo siya nga makakombine na ta. No? Kung tinambanon lang siya, igrupo nato ang may mga variables dili sa left side, katong mga whole numbers dito sa right side. So, nani na siya may tabo. X plus 6x is equal to, copy na ito ng negative 24. Kani si negative 24 atong ibalin, so ma-plus 24. Si 7 becomes negative 7. Okay, so padayon ta. What is x plus 6x? You have 7x. Is equal to negative 24 plus 24 is 0, right? Cancel na siya, ma-0 naman siya. So, ang mabilin is negative 7. So, it follows that we can solve x by simply dividing both sides by 7. So, x is equal to negative 7 divided by 7 is equal to negative 1. Cancel mo na siya dito. So, x is equal to negative 1 is a possible solution here. Sorry. So, let's check whether this is a solution. Checking na punta. Okay. So, you have, substitute na to si x nga negative 1, diri sa na yung mga x. Correct? So, you have negative 1 plus 7 over 6. Diri titan out. Plus 2 times negative 1 minus 8 over 2 is equal to negative 4. So, equal ba daw siya sa negative 4? So, itong tanawan. Negative 1 plus 7 is, you have 6. Then, you just copy 6 sa denominator. Okay? So, plus 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then, minus 8 over 2 is equal to negative 4. So, question mark, Japon siya. No, ato siya. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then you copy minus 8. Correct? So, 6 divide 6 is 1, right? Then, here, negative 2 minus negative 8. You have negative 10 over 2, which is equal to 4, negative 4. So, equal ba siya? Tanaon niya po na ito. So, 1. What is negative 10 divide 2? That is negative 5 is equal to negative 4. Equal ba siya? So, murag klaro na kayo siyang equal, no? 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So, equal siya as negative 4. That's correct. Meaning to say, so we conclude that thus, you can say thus, negative 1 is a solution. Okay? So, naka-solve to my questions na solution. No, na prove that nga solution yun di ay si value si x. Value ni x, no? Now, in this next example na to, number 7. Muna siya example na to. First example na wala siya solution. No? But we can solve for the possible value of solution, no? Which is the value of x. But, dili siya solution to the equation. Sige, let's try this. Okay, you are given in number 7, you have 3x over x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 over x minus 1. So, there's a condition here, no? If we try to look at the equation, kung si x daw ma-equal kang 1, ma-0 na siya sa ubos. So, ma-undefined siya. Dili na ma-define ang equation kung ang value ni x is equivalent to 1. Okay? So, here, again, naadya po siya yung fraction. So, we need to obtain the LCD. So, unsa iyang LCD din eh? So, klaro naman kayo siya, no? Nga, iyang denominator is x minus 1. So, iyang LCD diri is x minus 1 na siya. Wala na may laing denominator. No? So, dali na kayo siya. Okay? We will multiply the entire equation by x minus 1. So, you have x minus 1. Multiply na to. You have 3x over x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 over x minus 1 then times x minus 1. Okay? So, padayon tayo. You have 3x over x minus 1. So, gimultiply na to x minus 1 plus 2 times x minus 1. Okay? Is equal to 3 over x minus 1 times x minus 1. Okay. So, klaro kayo siya. You have 3x over x minus 1 times x minus 1. So, makancel na to si x minus 1. So, what is left? You have 3x. Okay? Now, here, we will distribute 2. 2 times x, you have plus 2x. 2 times negative 1, you have negative 2. Okay? Then, sa right side, you have 3 over x minus 1 times x minus 1. So, again, makancel na to si x minus 1. So, you only have 3. So, dali na kayo siya pagkawala sa iyang denominator. Kaya isa naman good, common ra ang ilang denominator. So, that becomes automatically our LCD. So, simplify. You have, anak na lang ta, kung sa tinamban pa, igrupo na to. So, 3, si negative 2, ibalin na to sa right side. O transpose na to, that becomes plus 2. So, we add 3x plus 2x, you have 5x is equal to 5. No? Kaya 3 plus 2, 5 man. So, by dividing both sides by 5, it follows that our x is equal to 1. La, atong x is equal to 1. Diba? Kung sa condition din, dapat si x daw, dili ma-equal to 1. No? Kay, ma-undefined naman ang equation. So, i-check daw nato gali. Let's do the checking. Okay, mag-checking ta. Okay. Substitute x is equal to 1 to the original equation. You have 3 times 1 over 1 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 over 1 minus 1. So, klaro kay 3 times 1 is 3 over 0 plus 2 is equal to 3 over 0. So, kana, ma-undefined man na siya. So, hindi siya na ito ma-prove. No? So, therefore, there is no solution. Okay, wala siya yung solution. Or, null set siya. Okay? So, usa na siya sa example nga walay solution. Okay. I'll give you another example to that. No? kanang possible ra bitaw siya na solution, then dili man di ay. I don't know. I don't know with that if makakita pa ba taglan examples. Okay. I really hope natin nga sabtan, no? Sa itong mga examples. Okay. Okay, last example na lang nato, ani. Okay, I really hope natin nga sabtan, no? So, we have 3 examples. So, let's add more. Okay. Sometimes man good sa kung ang uban simple ra ang ihatag na mga example, then matingala din sila kay sa quiz dili pa riyan, no? So mas better na at least daghan mo na encounter na examples. Okay. I really hope na enjoy mo ug kuan. By the way, no, you can ask me or you can suggest any topic sa math nga pwede na to i-discuss diri. No, by the way, nani nag-request ako sa elementary nga topic fraction, so magbuhat ra gyapon kog video ana. Okay, example number 8. You have here 3 over x squared minus 9 minus 7 over x minus 3 is equal to negative 4 over x plus 3. Check na to kung mao ba. Okay. So, look at example number 9. Mura ka kuan iyang fractions, no? Kaysa ang uban kung you have the difficulty in factoring, paglisod yung kaani. So that is why sa gatake og algebra dapat nalo jud kay dako nga idea sa factoring, no? Para dali na kay maka-familiarize na kadto sa denominator parang daan. Okay. So let's now move on to example number 8. So you are given 3 over x squared minus 9 minus 7 over x minus 3 is equal to negative 4 over x plus 3. Okay. Again, sa itong first buhaton, identify the LCD. Okay? Tanaw na to kada denominator. So, sa first denominator, you have x squared minus 9. So, this is difference of two squares, correct? Unsa yung value gali ani? That is equivalent to x minus 3 times x plus 3, correct? Katong sa atong factoring, no? This is difference of two squares. Yung factored form kay kani. X minus 3 times x plus 3. So, you have x minus 3, x plus 3. So, meaning to say, mauna siya itong LCD. Kani siya. Si x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, common man naman tayo makita diri x minus 3 na po x plus 3. Okay? So, na naman tayo LCD. Usay next na to buhaton, i-multiply na nato sa both sides sa equation. So, you have x minus 3, i-multiply nato siya sa both sides sa equation. So, you have 3, you copy x squared minus 9 minus 7 over x minus 3 is equal to negative 4 over x plus 3. Then, multiply dyan po na to sa itong LCD nga x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay. Multiply na to kada isa. You have 3 over x squared minus 9. So, kung tinambanin na to ha, x plus 3, so muna siyang may tabo. Kung i-multiply na to siya, kada term siya ma-multiplyan. Minus, you copy 7 over x minus 3 times the LCD. X minus 3 times x plus 3 is equal to negative 4 over x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. So, muna na itabo. Okay. 3 over x squared minus 9 times the LCD. So, makancel na siya diretso, no? Kaya equivalent ni ani kay x squared minus 9 man, so makancel siya. So, what is left? 3 na lang siya. Okay? So, here, you copy minus. Okay, 7 over x minus 3 times the LCD. So, atong makancel kay x minus 3 lang siya. No? Rabilin, you have 7 times x plus 3. Okay? So, equal to, okay, minus na sign, daan. So, 4 over x plus 3. So, atong makancel is x plus 3 na Japon siya, class. So, ang nabilin dyan sa right side, negative 4 times x minus 3. So, here, wala na yung denominator. No? So, you have here, simplify further, you have 3. Distribute din natin ni si negative 7 to each term. So, negative 7 times x, negative 7 times positive 3. No? So, negative 7 times x, you have minus 7x. Okay? Negative 7 times positive 3, you have negative 21. Is equal to, kanina po siya itong i-distribute, si negative 4 times x, si negative 4 times negative 3. Okay? So, si negative 4 times x, you have negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 3, you have positive 12. Okay? So, sa atong nangaagian nga mga examples, as I have said, yun ko ipang-grupo din nato itong mga pareha, katong mga variables dito sa left side, katong mga number dito sa right side. Okay? So, you have negative 7x, si negative 4x, ipabalin nato sa right side. So, may mo na siyang plus 4x. Can you follow? Is equal to, okay, copy lang kag 12, kani din si 3 o si negative 21 atong ibalin sa right side. So, minus 3, si 21, mahimong plus 21. Okay? So, ano na siya? Simplify further again. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Then you copy x. Is equal to 12 plus 21 is 33. Minus 3, you have 30. Correct? No? Correct, no? Okay. So, we need to solve for x. X is equal to what? I-divide pa nato og negative 3. So, x is equal to negative 10. Okay? So, negative 10 is a possible solution. So, para ma-determine kayo nato, let's do checking. So, mag-checking na din tam. By substituting x is equal to negative 10, diri sa yung mga x. So, original. You have, so, kana ito substitute 3 over negative 10, diri, squared, minus 9. So, minus 7 over negative 10 minus 3 is equal to negative 4 over negative 10 plus 3. Okay, sakto ba ta? 3. Okay. Okay. What is 10 squared? That is 100, no? 10 times 10 is 100. 100 minus 9 is 91, no? So you have here 3 over 91 minus 7 over negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13 is equal to negative 4 over negative 7. Okay. Okay. So, padayon ta, what is 3 over 91? Kung sa ilang common sa 3 over 91, class? Ha? Okay. 3 of 91, you have ano? So, wala. So, you just copy 3 over 91. So, negative, divide negative, you have plus. 7 over 13 is equal to negative 4 over negative 7 is just equal to 4 over 7. So, what is, sakto mong katanong, what is 3 over 91 plus 7 over 13? Okay. Equal ba siya sa 4 over 7? Muna siya kung pangutana kung equal ba siya sa 4 over 7. Sa itong ikuan ha, tanawan na to kung equal ba siya. Wala ko dahil nakuha ko calcu. Okay. Sa na may night mga calcu dyan, pwede mo makashare kung correct, kung ano ba, what is the addition of that fraction. Unsa kaning kuan? So may lifrak na i-calcu. Calcu ta ha. Okay, equal sila. Equal siya sa 4 over 7 is equal to 4 over 7. So that's correct. Therefore, therefore din ta. Therefore, negative 10 is a solution. No? Solution din sa negative 10. Okay? So, bro, ma-enjoy mo class, no? Chada-chada siya. Okay? So, I guess, murag okay na ni siya tanan nga mga example. And thank you for sharing my video. Salamat yung kay sa mga nag-support. And hopefully, nakatabang siya sa mga nag-algebra karon. And salamat yung kay, I really appreciate it. Kahit labi na katong mga nag-share, nag-like, o nag-follow. Salamat! Until my next video. Thank you!